So in the previous videos, I have talked about a lot of anti-detect browsers. You can see I first talked about the multi-login, then I talked about the incognito, then I talked about the go login, then I talked about the ads power, and then I talked about the dolphin anti. So then we have a few more browsers that I first of all talked about. And at first in the introduction part, that is one is Octo browser and another is the VM login. Okay, Octo browser, this is the official website, you can download it from here. And the VM login, the setup is same like we did in the previous ones. Okay, so you can, I will not show you the setup of these two because I think these five are enough, more than enough. But if you wish to, you can try them as well. The setup is almost the same and you can try them. So the main thing about why we use these anti-detect browsers and why we do not use the RDP and some other thing nowadays, and why we use proxy instead of RDP, and why we use anti-detect browsers instead of RDP. What is the main thing behind that? Let me make you clear about it today. So the first of all, there was a time when we were using the uh, RDPs. Okay, because but if we talk in the present scenario, the RDPs, they have the data center proxies along with. Okay, but the data center proxies are getting flagged by the Google or any other ad provider like Bing ads, like Facebook ads. They all are getting flagged by these websites, by these social media, by these marketing websites. Okay, like Google ads. Okay, we can talk about the Google ads only. So they all get deflagged by the Google. So our account gets suspended directly because Google knows that the guy is using a VPS or an RDP and trying to do the churn burn tutorial of Google ads, but they don't let us do this. But why we use, the thing is that they have the data center proxies. If you use proxies normally data center, you will get suspended. So we have to use sticky residential proxies. The proxy providers I talked about, first one that is Luminati, another one is Proxy Elite, another one is proxy PIA proxy, another one is Hydra proxy. They all are giving us the residential IPs. The best one is this PIA SOX 5 proxy. You can see this one. So I recommend you to use this one so that our account gets least chance of getting suspended, because a lot, everything matters in Google ads or in other type of thing that we are doing that's illegal, definitely. So I would recommend you to use this browser. If I rate this browser, the multi login is a good one. You can, this is the number one browser right now. Then this is, there is incognito, then we have the dolphin NT, then we have go login, and at last we ads power. So use them if you have a good budget. If you want to pay actually for the multi login, then definitely you should try it. And if you don't want to, then follow my method that I told you earlier in the video. Okay, so this was all about the browsers and the proxies. Okay, now we will in the next video we will just start our Google ads process about the Gmail creation. From Gmail creation to campaign setup, I will tell you everything about the Google ads. Okay, so have a, I hope you have learned a lot from the previous videos. Now we will move a step ahead and I will teach you about the Gmails. Let's have some sort of uh, general introduction about the Gmails, how you are going to use them. Okay, so first of all, I will show you how to create a normal Gmail. Okay, that has the domain of gmail.com. Another is how to create an Outlook and use it in Google Ads. Third is how to create an Proton mail. Okay, and use it in Google Ads. Fourth one is how to create an Adu mail and use it in Google Ads. Okay, it will take us just 5 to 10 minutes to create one and to verify one. So, and how to get the numbers for the same, the everything will be provided in the next part. Okay, so let's start our next video. And you can create the Gmail of any domain. Okay, as well. So let's start our video.